In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm expecting the price to do with Foxo. Let's get right into the video. Foxo. So disclaimer, nothing on the channel constitutes professional and financial advice. Having said that, let's get right into it. So looking at the bottom right corner, me and you can both look at the performance and see how this thing has actually performed. In the past, which in this situation, the highest number right here is the past month, which we actually went 361% up, 87% down in the past year is again a big metric to consider. But let's just check out the high time frame, which in this situation is like we have data. The first thing we like when this started trading was in January, and this kind of became flat. After that, huge bearish moves. But either way, we have broken our weekly chart to the upside. So this is cool. Okay, that's cool. That's a green flag. Like nevertheless, my expectations right now are to continue to break these highs. So this is what I'm expecting the price to do, to expand up, or we might as well just come back to the demand area, mitigate something in here or something in between like this happen, and of course the price coming into the demand and continuing higher. But I'm going to leave this like that. Let me